iPhone clicking on its own or ghost touch is when your iPhone screen taps on its own, jumps between pages, or enters content without touch. If you're wondering why this happens and how to stop it, solutions are available to fix the issue. Part 1. Why is my iPhone clicking on its own? iPhone clicking on its own can be caused by factors like oil, moisture, or dust on the screen, poor quality screen protectors, exposure to water or humidity, iOS bugs, system conflicts, third-party app issues, or hardware failure in the screen components. Part 2. How to fix iPhone clicking on its own. Here are 9 effective ways, and you can try them one by one. Fix 1. Clean the display screen. To prevent iPhone clicking on its own, regularly clean your iPhone screen with a microfiber cloth. Avoid using liquids, abrasive cleaners, or cleaners with hydrogen peroxide, as these can damage the screen and erode Apple's oil-resistant coating. Fix 2. Remove the screen protector and case. A screen protector or case usually protects your iPhone, but it can sometimes interfere with the screen's response. If your iPhone is pressing on its own, try carefully removing the screen protector or case, starting from one corner. Fix 3. Check for water damage. If your iPhone has been exposed to water, check the liquid contact indicator LCI, which turns red if water damage is detected. Avoid using heat or inserting objects into openings. If the LCI is red, contact Apple support for professional assistance. Fix 4. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 8 or newer, press and release volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 7s Plus, hold volume down plus side buttons until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 or older, hold side plus home buttons until the Apple logo appears. Fix 5. Update your iOS version. Step 1. Go to the iPhone Settings General. Step 2. Click Software Update. Choose the Download and Install option if a newer version is available. Fix 6. Reset all settings on your iPhone. Step 1. Open Settings General on your iPhone. Step 2. Click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Step 3. After that, your iPhone will reboot. Once finished, check if the problem is fixed. Fix 7. Perform a factory reset. A factory reset can fix the issue of your iPhone screen clicking on its own by eliminating software problems, but it will erase all data. Be sure to back up your iPhone to a computer or external drive before resetting. Step 1. Navigate to the iPhone Settings General. Select the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Tap the Erase All Content and Settings option. Step 3. When prompted, type in your iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Fix 8. Use iOS System Recovery. If basic methods like factory reset have a low success rate and risk data loss, a professional iOS repair tool like iOS System Recovery can offer a higher success rate. It fixes issues like the iPhone clicking on its own without erasing data, and its one-click operation is popular among iOS users. Step 1. Install and launch iOS System Repair on your computer and plug your iPhone into the computer via a USB cable. Later, choose More Tools iOS System Recovery to proceed. Step 2. The program will start to detect the iPhone problem and show it on the interface. Afterwards, click the Start icon to move on. Step 3. Confirm the device information on the interface. If necessary, choose the correct information from the drop-down lists. Then, click the Repair button to fix the iPhone clicking on its own problem right away. Fix 9. Seek Apple support. If your iPhone still clicks on its own after trying software fixes, it's likely a hardware issue. Don't attempt to fix it yourself. Visit the Apple support page to book an appointment and have the engineers check your device at the nearest Apple store.